RBO. Today we're going to be going over the Vac Survival Lantern. Before we get into that, we have a giveaway going for the super clean degreaser for the aerosol and the basic degreaser, as well as a super clean hat. So if you're interested in that, all you have to do is like, comment, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and go ahead and share the video, and you'll be entered. I'll be announcing the giveaway winner on the 20th. Good luck, everyone. Let's get to the video. Here we have the basic old camp lantern. I found it in the old camper. The batteries all eroded. All the acid went everywhere, so all the components were pretty much useless. I went ahead and removed this. I'm either going to add silicone or just tape to it, some Flex Seal or something like that, and that'll make it pretty much watertight, except for the two little entrances. But yeah, we'll start on top. As you can see, we have two compartments. We have where the light is, where the batteries were. We'll start right on the top. I believe the best way to do it is upside down. So right up top, we have our peanut butter packet. Can give you a nice little boost out there in the woods. You have your 550 paracord, a good amount of it, tied up with some trash ties to keep it more compact. And here we have four pieces of tent stakes that we can pretty much turn into a spear. We just have electrical tape wrapped around it, so it gives you a bigger weapon, more capabilities. Here we have our Swiss Army knife. This is the American Eagle one. You have your basic blade, you have your can opener, your bottle opener, your screwdriver, your corkscrew, your awl, and then of course on top we have our toothpick, as well as our tweezers. Tweezers. Give me a fun time putting it back in. And for fire starting, we have the Light My Fire ferrocerium rod. It's an old one. It's one of my original ones, but it still works with the striker. Then we have a basic sewing kit. Some needle and thread wrapped around some cardboard. As well, it can be used as navigation with the needle. For signaling, we have the 12 Survivors signal mirror. Keep you warm, we have the basic emergency blanket, Mylar blanket. Good at reflecting heat, you can build shelter with it, you can signal with it, you can mark trails with it. It's very good. Then you have this dish here where the light would be. Use that for whatever you need to. As you can tell, I went ahead and chipped some stuff away just to make it easier. Now for the bottom part of the kit, a little bit of a tricky one. Loosen this center thing. And we just twist. And we had to knock these down, of course. Right on top, we have two mustard packets. Give you a boost out there. As well as some sugar packets. And then two vitamin C packets. For water containment, you have two water containment Ziploc bags tied up with some trash ties. Just keep them nice and compact. We have a very basic first aid kit, which consists of a single alcohol pad, some bacterial ointment or antibacterial ointment, aminophen, and some salt. Another little boost, we have a mint in here. It's ripped open, but it's hard, so it'll be the same. Terrible things to put in kits are gum and Tootsie Rolls. Here we have our water purification tablets and duct tape. We also, in this kit, have a gathering bag, or a bag you can throw all the kit components into after you empty it out of here, if you don't want to keep using this little thing. Works great. Next, we have a Bic lighter with some more duct tape on it. This is majority for fire starting, just to elongate the life of this mini Bic. yeah, great way of starting fire. For navigation, we have a button compass. This thing works great. Even if you lose this, like I said, you have the needle from the sewing kit. Another form of signaling, we have a little signal whistle here. This is the Acme version. Comes with a little keychain hook there. Another way fire is starting, we have 3 stormproof matches, a little striker in there. And then we have a water activated towelette. This can be used for hygiene, just to scrub yourself down, marking trails, first aid, water, filtering, anything like that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments of the kit I put together, what you guys would do differently. I thought this would be a cool kind of kit, a little different. And yeah, have a nice day, and thank you guys for watching. Good luck on the giveaway.